In this video, we'll talk about how to introduce yourself in English for beginners. Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Mark Santamaria. I'm a US English teacher and immigration lawyer. We post weekly English lessons for English learners. We also post US immigration law videos. I'm learning Spanish and I know how hard it is to learn a language, but I'd like to share with you a quote from Martin Luther King Jr. Take the first step in faith. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take that first step. So let's take this first step together. This is Reina, and she'll take a step with us if she wants. She'll pretend she's you, and I'll talk with her as a friend. We're going to introduce ourselves. Listen to this conversation. Reina, hello, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you too. Reina, what's your name? My name is Mark. What's your name? My name is Reina. Where are you from? I'm from the US. How about you? I'm from Mexico. What does hello mean? I'm sure you know that means hi. Nice. What does nice to meet you mean? This means good to know you. What does my name is mean? This is how to introduce yourself. And what does what's your name mean? This is how to ask somebody what their name is. And what does where are you from mean? This means what country are you from? And what does I'm from Mexico mean? This means I'm from this country, Mexico. Nice. So let's practice. If I say to Reina, nice to meet you, what should Reina say in response? Nice to meet you too. Can you say to Reina, nice to meet you too? Nice. Nice to meet you too. If I say to Reina, what's your name? What should Reina say in response? My name is Reina. Can you ask Reina, what's your name? Nice. My name is Reina. If I say to Reina, where are you from? What should Reina say in response? I'm from Mexico. Can you ask Reina, where are you from? Nice. I'm from Mexico. See, you did a good job taking that first step. I'd love to go on this journey with you step by step. In the next video, we'll continue to practice introductions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and write a comment below. God bless.